Hey, what's going on, guys? Another video here. So today we're going to go over something super simple, very quick tutorial, and this is how to get the current user's IP address in Bubble. So if you take a look at the forum or try it yourself, you run into the issue where Bubble often proxies certain requests, and so you get back but one of Bubble's server IP addresses instead. And there's some solutions I read through a backend workflow, I believe, but instead of doing all of that, here at Brandarrow, we built a very simple plugin that you guys can use. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate on our demo app here. So you can see I'm in the document approval here inside of our demo app. It's super simple. We basically just have a document here, and when we sign it, it logs it into my documents, changes the status to signed, and it adds a signing IP. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to hit sign, and we should see right there, boom. So our signing IP is filled. Now this is obviously going to be blurred on your side because I don't want to give out my home IP address, but it's super simple, just like that. So let's go ahead and get into how to do this. Okay, so I'm here in the editor for this page that we were just working on over here, and I've went ahead and removed the IP address plugin here. So we'll start from the top. Now obviously this is going to depend on your app where you want to use it, but for us it's here in the document approval. So we're going to start by going ahead and adding the plugin. So I already have it installed, but I'll show you guys where to get it. So you just go to install new plugins, and you might have to scroll here. It's called Simple IP Address by Brandarrow Agency, and you just go ahead and install this. Obviously it's free. Just hit install there, and that's it. And then come over here to assets and search up IP address, and you're just going to drag this element anywhere onto this page, and you can go to layout and make it 1 by 1, which will automatically hide it from rendering on the front end. Cool. Now we need to set up a workflow for this sign button, and it's already there. So let me just go to edit workflow. And so right now it's doing nothing, but in our case, we wanted to make changes to a thing. And this, in this case, is just a document. So parent group's document. And we're not going to change the content, but we will change the signed to yes. So I'm just going to mark that as yes. And you can see the other field is the signed IP address, who signed this document, right? So in order to log that, we're going to add a step in between, right before the step where we want to use the IP address. We're going to add a step that's just get current user's IP. Perfect. And it'll automatically select the element that we've added. But if you have multiple, then you can go ahead and change that. There's nothing you have to fill out here. Straight to the other step where we want to use it. And we're going to set this as dynamic value, and we're going to choose that element. So we're going to type in IP address A, IP address fetched, and that's it. So let's go ahead and test this out one more time. Refresh this and go ahead and click sign, and boom. So now we have it on 2 different documents. Originally it was none, then 1, then 2. So we know that it's working. And again, you guys can't see it, but I can definitely tell this is my home IP address. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys. It's a super simple, easy, lightweight way to get a user's IP address for things like signing documents or certain approval flows inside of apps. Be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions, any concerns, anything of that sort. If you guys like to see something in particular, also let me know. Would love to do that. And of course, hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys.